In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests in Notion. Inviting a guest is a great way to collaborate on a single page without making someone a full member of your workspace. Guests only see what you explicitly share with them, so it's a focused, secure way to work with clients, contractors, or teammates on a specific document or database. Start on the exact Notion page you want to share. Look to the top right of the page for the Share button. It's usually easy to spot on the toolbar. Click it to open the sharing panel. This panel controls who can access this page and at what level, and it's the place where you'll add your guest. In the sharing panel, find the field where you can invite people by email. Click into that field and carefully type the guest's email address. Take a moment to double check the spelling. One character off can send the invite to the wrong place or nowhere at all. If your organization limits sharing outside the company domain, make sure the address you're entering is allowed. Keeping this accurate up front saves you from troubleshooting later. Next, look to the right of the email you just entered. You should see a permission label that often defaults to full access. Click that label to open the permission menu. Now, choose the level that fits what your guest needs. Select Can View if they only need to read the content. Choose Can Comment if you want them to leave feedback without changing anything. Pick Can Edit if they need to make changes to text, tasks, or database entries on this page. For most external collaborators, Can Comment or Can View is the safest option. Only choose editing when you truly want them to modify content. With the correct permission set, click Invite. Notion will send an email invitation to the address you entered. Your guest can use that message to open the page, and you'll see their address listed in the sharing panel as a guest. If they don't appear right away, give it a moment. Sometimes the email delivery can take a minute. If the guest says they didn't get the invite, confirm the email you typed is correct and suggest they check their spam or promotions folder. Some workspaces also restrict external sharing, so if invites consistently fail, your admin may need to review workspace settings. That's it. Click Share, type the email, adjust the permission from full access to the level you want, and click Invite. You've added a guest to your Notion page in just a few clicks.